Hello from Slide Nerd and hello from Weaves. Welcome to the second part on the list view with images. Here, you guys remember we were trying to create this list view which had titles, descriptions and these images which you see. So in the last video, I put the images inside the drawable folder. I put those arrays here inside my strings.xml. Here, I'm gonna get all these values inside our Java code. So the first thing I need to do is get these arrays here inside our main activity. I'm gonna create two arrays here. I'm gonna call one of them as string maybe titles. Second one I'll call it string maybe descriptions. So as you guys remember, these are located inside our strings.xml file. We can this strings.xml file is here inside values folder, which is inside our res. We can directly get a reference to the resources in our application by calling get resources. This method returns an object of type resources blah 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 error. Click alt enter to import this, import class, and we are done. So now you can use this res by saying res.getStringArray. The first array I need to get is the titles, which has this name called titles. I'm gonna refer this name over here by saying r.array.titles. This is the reason why we gave a name, so that we can refer to this inside Java code. r.array.titles is the name under which it is stored. I'm gonna assign this to maybe titles. Same way, I'm gonna go to the same thing for descriptions here. Alright, so there's only one more thing which is remaining, and that is to get these images 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So here, I'm gonna make an integer array by saying int images equals to an array. Now there will be 10 elements inside this images array, but each element will directly have a reference to r.drawable.meme1, comma, meme2, 3, 4, and so on. So let me go ahead and complete this array. Alright, so at this point I have defined my array, integer array of images that contains a reference to each of these images saying r.drawable, those this, that, and so on. So at this point the data part has been done. Alright, next thing we need to do is to create the appearance of a single row. If you guys remember, a single row looks like this. We have an image view, we have a text view 1, text view 2 that contains a title and the description. So let's actually go ahead and make this layout for the single row. For that, I'll go to layout folder here, create a separate layout file that contains that row. I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna say new layout resource file. I'm gonna call this file as single underscore row. The root element is going to be a relative layout because that will be a lot easier to work with, considering that we have 3 elements. Click OK. So at this point it has nothing inside. So let's actually go ahead, drag an image view by just dragging it on the top left corner. There you go. So you cannot see the image view basically because there is no source. So for now, just to understand how it looks, let's go to the text part here and put a source by saying src@drawable meme1. So now as you guys can see, we have this image over here. I'm gonna put a margin, say 10 dp from all sides, and that is gonna make it look even better. So now the image view is here. Now I need the title to the right of this, the description below that. So let's go and put those text views. Go to the design part, select the text view number 1, which is going to be a large text. So just carefully drag and drop it to the right side of the image and the top of our parent, right? So there you go. And again, stretch it all the way to the right side of the parent. Same way, go ahead to the next design view, take the small text, put it below this text view to the right side of the image, and then stretch it all the way to match the width of the parent, right? And then drag it below to match the bottom of the image view. So at this point our complete structure is ready, that is containing the title, the description will go here, and the image will go here. Now remember, this layout at this point is not active because we have not put the required values. This will be active at runtime inside our custom adapter, when that adapter is going to put the required values inside this, this, and this. Till then this is inactive. Alright, so in this video we have created the basic structure needed for creating a single row. In the next video we are gonna go ahead, build the list view further. So if you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, comment, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next vid. Have a nice day.